Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We've got a glass of water inside a room with an air temperature of 20 degrees Celsius and a relative humidity of 40%. If the water in the glass is 15 degrees Celsius, find the vapor pressure, the water at the water surface, and at the point in the room far from the glass. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknowns. So we've got the water at 15 degrees Celsius, the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. We want to find the vapor pressure for both of these, and the substance is water. Step 3, find the surface pressure. So at 15 degrees Celsius, we can find the pressure from the table. You can Google search this or find this at the back of your textbook. It'll be approximately 1.706 kPa for the saturated pressure, and that is our surface pressure. Step 4, we want to find the vapor pressure formula using the relative humidity. So the vapor pressure is equal to phi, which is the relative humidity, multiplied by the saturated pressure at 20 degrees Celsius. So step 5, find the vapor pressure. Note that the air is not saturated. 40% relative humidity. At 20 degrees Celsius, we find the pressure from the table. So it will be 2.3392 kPa. So we multiply the percentage by the saturated pressure. We'll get 0.93568 kPa. So the vapor pressure using relative humidity is 0.93568 kPa. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program, click on Video option, click on New, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the Start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the Replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, drop a super thanks or become a member. Until next time, see ya.